Hi everyone, this is Murthy. Welcome to QA automation classes. So hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to continue on our Linux session, and today we'll be exploring the shell scripting part. Okay, so we'll go through the tutorial like where I'll try to explain what is a shell script and how do we write the shell script to accomplish some work. Okay, so let's start, guys. So what exactly is a shell script? Okay, so let me say today's topic is shell scripting, right? Shell scripting. Okay, so what exactly is the shell scripting? Okay, so there are different Linux commands. Okay, we write inside a script. Okay, and then we execute that script to do those actions. Okay, so where exactly we use the shell script? We usually use to automate the daily or repetitive manual task. Okay, and if you want to perform the same operation multiple times, right? So manually doing is time consuming and it is very boring, right? So for that, yes, we can use the shell scripts. Okay, so there are different types of shells available in the Linux. It's like the examples will be Bourne shell, C shell, corn shell, and bash shell. Okay, so but most popular is the bash shell. Okay, and let's see, guys. So as you have gone through my videos from the beginning, I have told you the Linux architecture, right? So let me draw it. Okay, so first one is user. Okay, so then there comes the application. Second layer is the application layer. Okay, the second layer is the application layer. Okay, user and then application. After application there comes the shell. Okay, so the third layer is nothing but the shell. Okay, so here you can say shell, and then comes the kernel. The next layer is the kernel. Okay, so now I can say kernel, and then comes the hardware. Okay, so the core part is hardware. Okay, so now whatever code we are going to write, right, shell scripting, so that is represented here. So the set of the commands which will write and run, right, in the shell is called as the shell scripting. Okay, so in the shell scripting, what exactly will do, what is the responsibility of the shell, right? The shell is responsible for executing the programs. Okay, and there are different keywords associated with the shell, so I can list few of them. Okay, so we use the keyword called echo. Okay, and if. Okay, and we have else, then. Okay, and f5. So we start the condition with if and ends with the f5. Okay, and case. Okay, exit, execute. Okay, so execute, exec actually, execute. Okay, exec, execute. Okay, so we have the different conditions like while. Okay, do, right, and for loop, right? I can use the for loop also, and we have case. Okay, and the opposite of case, ESAC. Okay, so these are the few of the commands we have in the shell scripting. Okay, so but where exactly you write the shell scripting? You have to write in editor, right? So mostly we use the vi editor. Vi editor is called as the vi. Okay, vi editor, and in new versions of the Linux it is called as the vim. Okay, so vi and vim editor. Okay, visually improved, vim visually improved. Okay, so in the VI editor, we usually write the cell scripting and then we save it. After saving, what we do, we execute it, right? So let's see the VI editor. Okay, so now I'll say VI. So let's say script1.sh, something I want to write here. Okay, so I don't know with my version of the Sigwin, that is a problem. Okay, so but when I hit enter, it will give me the VI prompt. Okay, VI editor will open and here I can write the program, right? So initially now it is in the command mode. Okay, so in the command mode you can only run the commands, but we don't want to run any command. First we need to insert some data, we need to write some script, right? So for that, what we need to do, we need to say I. Okay, so now I said I, so it's changed into the insert mode. Okay, so now I should be able to write anything. So if I say, so first we need to write hash and shebang, right? We call that as shebang, but let's see. So first you write hash. Okay, sorry, let me type I. Okay, so let's see, hash, let me expand it. Okay, so you guys can clearly see, right? So I'm writing something here, hash. Okay, so I would say, okay, so okay, so where exactly I have the location, right? Where exactly my bash script or whatever I'm doing, that is present, right? So where exactly the shell location, /bin/bash. So I'm writing a bash script here. Okay, so this is to show like my bash script is present in the user bin bash. I can show you quickly. Yes, user bin bash. So C drive, Sigwin, home, user, right? So user bin, let's see where is the bash. Actually I thought it is inside the user, but let's see, bin. So here I think bash is there. No need to give the sorry, I gave bin, right? No need to give. So Sigwin, I can give the /bin/bash. Okay, no need to give user, I can say /bin/. This is the problem here. Control I will say escape :wq. Okay, so here escape, so escape will go to the when you say escape, you should return to the command mode by pressing the escape key. Okay, and w is for whatever changes you have done here, that will be saved. Okay, and q means quit, and I say it quit. Okay, so let's zoom out a bit. Okay, so let's say ls -l. So I should be able to see this script 1.sh, right? So instead of editing in the VI editor, let's edit it in Notepad. It is really easy to edit in the Notepad actually. So let's go there, home, cell scripts. Okay, script 1. Okay, fine. So I'll say instead of user, let me remove this user. Okay, /bin/bash. Okay, so here I'll say suppose I want to write something called the hello world. Okay, this is the basic first script I'm going to write. So I'll say hello world. Okay, so for that hello world, I can say, let me give some information, like we usually whenever we write any program and all, we say who's the author, right? So in the real time you have to give this information. Author, I will say my name, so is the author, and I also can say copyright. Okay, so this file is copyrighted to whom. Okay, I can say QA automation classes. Okay, so and then okay, so these are all like the comments. Okay, if anything starts with hash, that means it is a comment. Okay, so now I'll say I want to show like hello world, right? So I'll simple say echo, and I'll say hello world. Okay, so then I have to save it. Okay, so script1.sh, so let's go and run this one. So dot slash script1.sh. okay, permission denied, this is what I was coming here. Okay, so now if you can see script1.sh here, right? So what you can see it is user as read and write permission. Okay, and there is no execute permission associated with the owner or the user, so we need to add the execute permission, chmod. Okay, and now you say o plus x. Okay, and give the file name script1.sh. right, now say ls -l. You see, so script1.sh, if you see oh sorry, I have added to other, sorry. So instead of other we have to add the user, right? User is known as the owner, so instead of o it should be u. Okay, u plus x script1.sh. now hit enter, now verify. Okay, ls-l. So now you can see rwx, right? So for the user or the owner we have read, write and execute permission. Now I can easily go ahead and execute my script. Okay, enter, right? So how to execute the script? Just keep dot slash and name of the script, and you say hello world. Okay, so it got, this is the output we got. Okay, so similarly I can say let's write a second script. Okay, so let's write a script which will print the user who's currently logged in, and what is the present working directory and its content and the count of files we have in it. Okay, so there are like multiple objectives we need to meet here. Okay, but one shell script I will write in order to achieve all those things. Okay, so the problem statement is, let me write it, what we're trying to do with this second shell script. So first is current logged in user. So who's the current logged in user in the system? Okay, current logged in user. So this is first statement, and the second statement we are going to print the working directory. So what is the current working directory? Current working directory, this is the second one. Okay, and the third one is show the content of the current working directory. Okay, show the content of directory or current directory. Okay, current directory. Okay, and then fourth one is like count the number of files. Okay, give the count of number of files, give the count of number of files. Okay, so these are the four things we want to achieve with the help of a single shell script. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so I'll take the notepad, because notepad is actually easy for me to write the programs and all. So here I'll say, okay, so same, let's have this static information copied over there, because these are going to be oh my god, so these are going to be same, so copy paste, fine. And then let's say first, let's look at the first statement. Okay, so the first statement says current logged in user. Okay, print the current logged in user. Okay, print the current logged in user. So but how to print the current logged in user? Okay, so the user, you guys know, right? There are two ways in which we can use the user information, we can get the user information, right? So one is we can use the variable called user. Okay, otherwise we can use the command, that is who am I. So let's see both the approaches. So I will say echo. Okay, so before doing that, let me save it so that we can see it as with the different colors and all, right? Script2.sh. okay, instead of text file we say all files. Okay, all types. So now save. So now you can see the color coding applied to here because it is a shell scripting. Okay, so now I'll say echo logged in user. Okay, so logged in user. Okay, so we can use the variable called as the user. So I can directly write hash, not hash, like dollar USER. Okay, so when I say like dollar USER, what it is gonna give? It is gonna give me the current logged in user. So let me save this one and let's run the script2.sh. okay, so how to run script2.sh? Same /script2.sh. okay, so now it shows the logged in user is Smriti. Okay, so now one more thing is that, like I told you, who am I command. Okay, so let's use that who am I. So I'll say user name. I'm declaring a variable that is called as the username, and I'm saying dollar. Okay, so in the dollar I'm saying, in the braces I'm saying who am I, the command. Okay, the command itself I'm saying dollar who am I. Okay, and now I'm going to print this one. Okay, so let me copy the same line over here. Okay, so logged in user is, okay, so I'll say instead of user I can say dollar username, right? This is the value, this is the what a variable. So how to print the variable's value? You say dollar. Okay, when you say dollar, it will show you the value of the variable. Now let's run it one more time. Okay, 2 times we should be able to see. So login user is Smriti. This is through the user variable and this is through the who am I command. Okay, so first objective is met. Okay, so now let's go and find the second objective. So I will say okay, let's strike it up. So we completed this one, right? It's done. And now you have to show the current working directory. So we all know the command to print the current working directory, right? So let's say one more comment line. So I'll say print present working directory. So I'll say echo current directory is, okay, so I'll say dollar, okay, and in the basis I'll say pwd. okay, now let's see, saved it. Now let's go and run it. So current directory is home Smriti shell scripts, right? This is where I am as of now, right? And now the second problem statement also we finished. Okay, so current working directory is also done. The third one, show the content of the current directory. So you guys know the how to show the content of the current directory, right? ls-l. So let's do that one. Please print the content of current working directory. So let's see, same echo, okay, content are dollar, I'll say ls-l. Okay, so this is how we do that, right? ls-l. Save it and run it. Okay, current directory contents are total, and it keeps on printing all those things right here. So it's bit not formatted, but yeah, you can see all the output over here. And then let's see the count of files. Okay, and if you want to see the count of files, you can do one thing here. let's put this on the end, that is also fine. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah. So now if you see, this is formatted now. Okay, so now what we need to do, the final problem statement is we have to give a count, right? So the content of the working directory is fine. Third is give the count of the number of the files. Okay, so we already know how to get the count of the number of the files. So the same, let me copy, put this here. So print the count of files present in current directory. Okay, so echo current directory content count, I will say current directory count where dollar, so I'll say ls. Okay, and then I'll say pipe. Okay, so wc hyphen l, right? This is how we get. So let's run this one and let's see what is the output. So okay, the current directory content counter 14, right? So the one more shell script, let's see, like design a shell script supposed to display the calendar, right? So let's display the calendar like current month, previous month, and next month. So for that I can say one more script. Let's write script 3.sh. okay, oops, one to line. So now copy the static informations. Static information should be copied, copying. Okay, so now print the calendar. Okay, calendar, print the calendar. Okay, so now let's see what is the command for printing the calendar. Okay, so we know the command will be calendar, and since we are going to print three, like what do I say, the previous month, current month, and the next month, so the command will be cal hyphen 3. Okay, so I'll say echo here, echo. Okay, print the calendar. Okay, print the calendar, and here I'll say here only I can say print the calendar. I can say and displaying last month, comma present month, not current, it will say present month, and future month, and next month. Okay, next month. So this is the condition, this is what I'm trying to print, and I'll say echo. Okay, so let's see, so dollar. Okay, so the command is cal hyphen 3, right? So now let me save this one with script 3.sh. okay, save as all types. I'll say sorry, script 3.sh. okay, so now save it, script 3.sh. so now let's go and run script 3.sh. Now if you see, print the calendar displaying last month, present month, and next month. So January 2022, February 2022, and March 2022, 3 months of calendar is displayed. So this was the introduction to the shell scripting, and we saw like how we can do different tasks with the help of a single script, right? So the second example was the best example, where we saw where one script we were able to do lot of tasks, like we used to show like yeah, this is the one, right? So what is the current directory, who's the user, right? What is the current directory, what is the content of the current directory, and what is the how many number of files are present in the current directory, right? So yeah, so this is the best example, like we do the multiple things with the help of a one single shell scripting file. Okay, So similarly, going further, like in the cell scripting there are few other things which we have. Okay, so if you guys want to learn, you can obviously go ahead and learn. Okay, so but from the QA interview perspective, I think if you know the basics, that will be okay for the interviews. If you want to learn more, you can obviously go and explore the more things like the arithmetic operator, right, and logical operator, comparison operator, right. So how we say GT, LTG. Okay, let me give a little background on those things. Like if we numbers are there, okay, 10 and 20, how you will compare? So suppose you will say if 10 greater than 20, so in Linux we will say 10 GT 20. Okay, this is how greater than. Similarly, as with greater than, we have LT, less than. Okay, and similarly we have GE, greater than equals to, LE, less than equals to. Okay, and if equals to we say EQ, and not equals to we say NE, right. And for the string value we have like equals to, this symbol, and this is for less than, this is for greater than, right. So these are the few things, and one more is not equals to. Okay, not equals to. Okay, and similarly we have the logical operators, right. So yeah, so these are the few things, and we have the conditional statements, like when we want to write the programs, right, we can write the if else condition, while condition, right, and for loop. Okay, so those things are there. Those are like advanced type of the programming concepts. If you guys want to learn, that is good. There are lots of material available on the internet, but from QA perspective, this will be sufficient for you to uh, attend the interviews. Okay, so that's all for today. So with this, I'm concluding the Linux session, entire Linux series. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching these videos. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about the new videos. So this is Smriti signing off for today, with a promise to learn something new tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.